Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is an endocrine gland. What is the endocrine? It is a ductless gland that secrete their hormone directly into the blood circulation. Anatomy of thyroid gland. It is butterfly-shaped ductless gland present anterior of neck below the laryngeal prominence. It has a two lobe connected by isthmus and wrapping around the trachea. It extends from C5 vertebrae to T1 thoracic vertebrae and lie anterior to thyroid cricoid cartilage of larynx and first 5 to 6 tracheal rings. Anatomic relation of thyroid gland. Anterior relation is denoted by a letter A. It started from a sternocleidomastoid muscle, then sternohyoid muscle, sternothyroid muscle, omohyoid muscle, especially superior belly of omohyoid, and lateral relation is denoted by a letter L. It involves the carotid sheath, which include vagus nerve, internal jugular vein, and common carotid artery. M is denoted by a medial relation. It include esophagus, trachea, pharynx and larynx, and two nerve, recurrent laryngeal nerve and external laryngeal nerve. Blood supply of thyroid gland. Upper part of the thyroid gland is supplied by a superior thyroid artery, which is a branch of external carotid artery, and lower part of the thyroid gland is supplied by a inferior thyroid artery, which is a branch of thyrocervical trunk of subclavian artery, and sometime it is supplied by a thyroidema artery, which is a branch of subclavian artery. Venous drainage. Venous drainage is carried by a superior, middle and inferior thyroid vein, which form a venous plexus around the thyroid gland. Upper part of the thyroid gland is drained by a superior thyroid vein, which further drain into a internal jugular vein, and lower part of the thyroid gland is drained by a inferior thyroid vein, which empty into the left brachiocephalic vein. Lymphatic drainage of thyroid gland. Upper lateral portion of thyroid gland is drained into a upper deep cervical lymph nodes, and lower lateral portion of thyroid gland is drained into a lower deep cervical lymph nodes. Then upper medial portion is drained into a pretracheal lymph nodes, which further drain into a upper deep cervical lymph nodes, and lower medial portion is drained into a pretracheal lymph nodes. Nerve innervation of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is innervated by a sympathetic trunk, and secretion of thyroid hormone is regulated by a hypothalamus pituitary axis.